Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Amazon Music app on an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Amazon Music app on the phone and make sure you are logged into your account. When the app opens, you will see the home screen. This shows recommended songs, playlist, and new music. You can tap on anything here to start listening. At the bottom of the screen, tap the search icon. This is where you find music. You can search by song, name, artist, album, or playlist. After searching, tap on a song and press play to listen. To save music, tap the three dot next to a song from the menu. You can add the songs to your playlist or download it for offline listening. Now tap on library at the bottom of the screen. This is where all your saved music is stored. Here you can see your playlist, download songs, artists and albums. If you want to create a playlist, go to library, tap playlist at the top, then tap create playlist. Give your playlist a name and start adding songs. You can also download music to listen without internet. Just tap the download arrow next to a song or playlist. To adjust settings, tap the settings icon. Here you can manage download, streaming, quality and your account. And that's it. Now you know how to use Amazon Music app on an iPhone. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.